Welcome to my channel Ashfaq Biology. Cell structure and function. The cell wall type having strong optical activity, its diameter will be option A 1, B 1 to 3, C 5 to 6, D 5 to 10. The correct option is option D. Cell structure and function. In bacterial cell, the protein synthesized by ribosome. Option A, fixed form, B, attached form, C, both B and C, D, free form. The correct option will be option D. Cell structure and function. MCQs 3. Which of the following doesn't occur in mitochondria? Option A, Krebs cycle, B, glycolysis, C, ETEA, D, ATP synthesis. Cell structure and function. MCQs 4. In axon membrane, the sodium and potassium pump formed by molecules. Option A, extrinsic, B, surface, C, peripheral, D, integral. The correct option is option D, integral. Cell structure and function. MCQs 5. The enzyme of Krebs cycle are present in part of mitochondria. Option A, inner membrane, B, intermembrane space, C, matrix, D, cresta. The correct option will be option C, that is matrix. Cell structure and function. MCQ 6. The enzyme of glycolysis present in cell part. Option A, cytosol, B, mitochondria, C, Golgi bodies, D, ribosome. Correct option will be option A, that is cytosol.